Transferring money from a Forex card to a CIBC bank account is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, check the available balance on your Forex card. Then, examine the exchange rate and transfer fee. After that, make the transfer request. Next, submit your bank account details. Now, you need to do the transfer confirmation. Lastly, monitor transfer processing time. Be aware of any fees associated with currency conversion and wire transfers. Both the Forex card provider and CIBC may charge fees. Exchange rates can impact the amount you receive in your CIBC account. Be sure to check the rates provided by the Forex card provider. Forex cards are primarily designed for spending, so direct bank transfers might not be as straightforward as using a regular bank account.